I have made a very large mistake. Hey guys, what's up? This is 210 Intel CPUs. Yeah, I know. So this is 210 CPUs. And this is the other 400. Yep. Wow, those are way too heavy. This is 20 more of these pallets of CPUs. In total, there are about 630 Intel CPUs on this table. This has a Ryzen in it, doesn't count. Now you're probably wondering, where the hell does somebody buy 600 plus CPUs at once? And to that I say, none of your damn business. Now if you're wondering what specific CPUs these are, well, to be honest, I have no idea. There's just a ton of random LGA 11.5X CPUs. I have been told that at the very least, these are all LGA 11.5X CPUs. Now, some of them appear to be older, like this one right here, and a couple of these are the same, is a Intel Celeron G540. That really is nothing impressive. It's a working CPU. I've been told that all these work, and I don't feel like testing all 630 of them, so I'm going to take their word for it. So no, these probably aren't all the greatest CPUs on the planet, and they're probably not the newest. I believe that's an LGA 1155 Sandy Bridge, Ivy Bridge era CPU. Sounds like it, so nothing amazing. Now if you're wondering what my plan is, or what is my reason for purchasing 600 plus CPUs, well, to be honest, when I purchased these CPUs, I had no idea. First things first, I meant to order 5 CPUs. I needed 5 CPUs to do something really special with. I want to do something really interesting, and I ended up with 630. How? I have no idea. Although I have white hair and no friends, so anything is possible. Now, I have actually, after purchasing these CPUs, have come up with a couple plans that I think will work really well for these CPUs. So, in a future video, which I will try to release tomorrow, the day after releasing this video, but if I don't, it should be up within a few days, which should detail an event I am planning surrounding these CPUs. It also has to do with the fact that I need a new camera. Mine is about to die, and if it dies, that's a big problem. You know, I thought about unboxing these, oh my god, giant, these are like 14 pounds each actually, I did weigh them, they're about 14 pounds of CPUs, these are 210 CPUs a piece in trays. I thought about unboxing 1 or 2 of these in this video, but then I realized that it is going to be impossible to store all 600 of these CPUs outside of this packaging, so I'm just going to leave them as is. These CPUs will stay out because I needed them for, well, comedic effect and to show the magnitude of the mistakes that I make in life. Oh, maybe I shouldn't do that. I don't know. This is they're cold, and it's hot as hell in here, so, like, this feels really good. I don't know. Maybe I'll sign some of them and give them out to, like, my donators on Twitch or something. Who knows? Anyone think it was a good idea? I don't know. Give me feedback. This is the point. I simply wanted to make this video to alert you guys that I am now in possession of 630 Intel CPUs. There's nothing you can do about it. This was a complete accident, but hey, that's fine. Alright, with all that said, I hope you guys kind of enjoyed. Stay tuned for, well, my plans with this CPUs and some videos, as well as some live streams that will be featuring all of this crap. Hope you guys kind of enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.